and animals with segmented bodies. All needed food. Many would have eaten unguarded eggs given the chance. And then, around 400 million years ago, some enterprising creatures found it safer to lay their eggs out of the sea, up on a beach. They still do. Every spring, on a few special nights along the Atlantic coast of North America, thousands of horseshoe crabs emerge from the sea. And here, in the wet sand, they spawn. They may only stay for a few minutes or hours, but animals like these may well have been the first of any kind to leave the sea and venture onto land. Although these creatures spend virtually all their lives at sea, they can survive surprisingly well on land. It's almost as if they were pre-adapted. They have shells, external skeletons, and that means that their legs are rigid and jointed. And at the back, they have a series of plates called book lungs, which extract oxygen from seawater, but can also do the same thing if they're kept reasonably moist from the air. So, creatures like this can in fact spend about a week on land. And it only requires minimal modifications to enable them to live up there permanently. It was difficult to abandon the sea altogether until the land became green. But eventually it did. Simple plants, algae, and then mosses and liverworts began to advance over the mud and rock to clothe the earth. And into these first green tangles came animals looking for food.